Good morning, everyone. Today we are back with Ginger from Ginger's Corner, and we are doing Fruit Frenzy. And all the links down below will have Ginger's Corner and all the other people that are doing the embellishment YouTubers. And also if they just post their thing, or some of us have both places. If you post your creation onto Instagram, and then there's one that you can just go to and see everybody that's doing the YouTube one. So that's where I usually go, so that way I can just look, just watch everyone that's not red line, because then I know I've seen them all, because I like to watch them. So today, for my Fruit Frenzy, I am doing this little, I don't know if they call these a crate that you buy when you buy them at the store, but the strawberries are in this little container, and then it's got a little mouse on it. And I kind of wish I had raspberries, because I had, my husband, we had grown some raspberries one year, and my husband brought them in, left them on the counter. I didn't get a chance to wash them that day, and the next day they were scattered all over the place, and I'm thinking, why did he do that? Well, come to find out, we had a mouse in the house, and yeah, he was messing with my raspberries. It was funny, because I just, in my mind, I just pictured him out there rolling them around, juggling them. And then it's like, we also had a mouse in the house one time when we were on vacation, and you can kind of tell where they've been, because they leave little signs. And I could tell he was in the art room on the window, and I'm thinking, oh, he was looking out at his friends, and thinking, why, I'm stuck in here and I can't get out. So yeah, that's my mouse stories. So it's like, I think it's a funny story, because I could really just picture the little mouse juggling those raspberries. But at first I kept thinking, what did my husband do why did he do that with the raspberries? Just strung them out all across the counter. I'm surprised they weren't completely gone. But he must not have liked the raspberries as much as he liked the quinoa, because he totally got into the quinoa, which I don't even care. He got into the quinoa. I mean, I like it fine, but I like the raspberries better personally. Okay, so I am using weathered wood, and I got out some more of my brushes, and I am doing the little, I'm just gonna call it a basket. In the weathered wood, I'm doing the little mouse head in weathered wood. Just inking them just makes them a little more dimensional. And so you've got a mouse head, you got mouse, mouse tail, and you got mouse hands. And so I'm just kind of going over those. And now I'm trying to hold on to the top of the mouse hands, so I get more of a shadow on the bottom of the mouse hands. And then I have a nose here, and I thought, oh my gosh, that nose looks about like mouse poop. If I would have just been in the art room and found it, I would have thought, there's a mouse in here. So just that little tiny piece looks like it. And then I have the inside of the ears. Okay, so I've got those things a little shadowed, and now I'm gonna take green and do the little stems. And I actually need 5 stems for each of them, because I realized I needed 5 strawberries because I put 3 on the bottom and I put 4 on the top. Oh, but only, and I said I need 5 stems. Okay, but only, I'm only using 1 stem on the one on the bottom. And I will have green fingernails after this. You know, that's just how it is. I'm a colorful crafter. Okay, so I've got some color in all those. And now I'm gonna also run it over the strawberries. And let's see, I need 7 strawberries. And I'm kind of running it one time across the top. And then I'm putting a little on the bottom. Because I would like all those little seeds to kind of look green, but I know they're not going to exactly. And there is a top and a bottom to, well, there's a stem area, so I'm trying to hit the bottom where the stems aren't, where the stem doesn't go. Okay, so I've got 5, so I need 2 more of these. Okay, and so now I'm going to take and put stems on the strawberries. Oh, and this is the Temu dye. And so I'm just gonna, use 5 stems, and then I'll arrange them. Let's see, where's my one? The one little part of foliage is a little bigger, and that's what the size looks like in the little indentation. So I'm trying to put it there. And this is where I wish I could just change my fingers into tweezers. Oh, I got a little extra little piece of paper there. Let's see, can I pick them up? Sometimes I don't want to pick up. Okay, and it's right here. Oh, and this one I actually put the dark on the opposite side of where I wanted it. Okay, so I have 5 of them done, and now I'm going to take and the middle one, I'm going to put some glue here. Now the first time I did it, I tried gluing all of them. That did not work. Okay, so I'm going to take this and just arrange it to where I can see a little bit of the red and a little bit of the green. And I don't know why. I think the glue is different in the summertime because, like, I don't know why it doesn't want to grab. Okay, try that again. I'm gonna push on a little harder. Okay. And then I'm gonna put some more glue in the middle one, and then over here, so I can pick up one of these ones that doesn't have leaves, but I want to bring it to the bottom. So that looks like strawberries underneath. I thought about just putting some red there, but you can kind of see the markings through there. The little seed areas. So I want to see that. Okay, and then you want to take your 4 other strawberries, and I am going by my little tiny picture, and I'm thinking every time I should make it a little bigger. Oh, and I've glued right over the top of that. The die came with the little flowers and the leaves and a pot, so if you want to do that without the mouse. But I always love these, so I just wanted to use that. I was at World Market with my sister and my niece, and they had a little ceramic one of these, and I really wanted to buy it, but I just couldn't decide what I would do with it if I had it. But it was so cute. I'm to the point where it's like I have to know where I'm putting it if I bring it into the house. So I'm just arranging them in different directions, so they look like they're just tossed in that little basket. Whoop. Okay, and now is when you want to get your mouse ready. And he didn't have any little eye dies. That sounds so weird. Little eye dies. So I just brought out a scrap of black, and I'm just gonna cut it. It doesn't even need to be as wide as what I have it. My other one I did less. Yeah, in fact, that's maybe gonna hinder me from getting that in there just right. So let me see. That's probably good right there. And I'm just gonna put the glue right in the middle. Actually, I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the back of his face. And again, I'm pushing more than what I normally have to, because it seems like the glue is just taking a little longer to dry. Okay, so I've got that ready. And oh, I need to put on his nose. I'm trying to get glue on here, but not over glue it. Okay, I think that's good. Now I need my little picker upper, and I need to flip it over because it's always going in the wrong direction, it seems. Okay, that's perfect. I mean, look at how adorable he is. Okay, now I'm gonna put in his little pink, the inside of his ears. Okay, and I got a little too much glue. Okay, and then he is, oh, I need his hands next. Okay, so I'm gonna put a hand here, and I think the little part, it almost looks like a paisley, and the little part goes in the middle. Other one here. Okay, and then he's tucked behind there where you don't really see his little smile. But if you wanted to, you could put it up on, you know, a little piece of paper so that you could see that. But he's just looking over the berries, because he doesn't want you to know he's going to take those out and juggle them all over the kitchen. I know, because he never showed up when I was out in the kitchen. Okay, and then I'm taking another strawberry and sticking that. Whoops, see, look at that. It just takes a little longer for it to glue, I guess. All I can think of is that it's the weather. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that other strawberry between, so you just kind of see it over his shoulder. And then I've got his little tail here. So he's supposed to look like he's in the little basket with the strawberries. Oh, I did see on the news one day that somebody bought lettuce and there was a tree frog in it. Now that would make it really hard to eat that lettuce for a while, I think. So there is my second one. And so remember, if you decide that you want to join us and swap and make embellishments too, all you have to do is have to go over to Ginger's Corner and answer a couple questions. It's on Facebook. Okay, I'm just going to give him a couple eyes because you know that brings him to life. A couple little highlights in his eyes. I just think that totally brings him to life. And let's see, do I have something I can pick him up on? My little list of him. So look at how cute he is. So cute. Okay, so that's it for today. Make sure you check everybody else out. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. I will have close-ups at the end. Have a great and blessed day. Bye-bye.